Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a potato masala for masala dosa at your home. So for this recipe, what you need, here I took 4 potatoes and this is the homegrown, and what I did, I peeled the skin of the potatoes and I'm going to chop the potatoes, and I will pressure cook for up to 3 whistles. So let's start the recipe. I chopped the potatoes and I washed it again in the cold water, and I'm going to put this one in the pressure cooker, and I'm adding these potatoes in the cooker. So I took four potatoes and that is up to your choice how many potatoes you want for your family. So according to that you can plan. So and I'm going to add some water. So I added 2 glasses of water, and I'm going to cover this one with the lid. I'm going to cook for up to 3 whistles. So I took 2 onions, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to chop this one into very small pieces. So here I chopped the onions. So let's start the masala. Take a big pan, and in this I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. So in this oil, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add, the first thing is the mustard seeds. So when the mustard seeds is started sputtering, we have to add the urud dal. So here I added the urud dal, and it's time to add some chana dal and some cumin seed, jeera. So this is the must, guys. Fennel seeds, that is somf. This one gives a nice flavor in the potato masala, and some fresh curry leaves. So after adding the fresh curry leaves, it's time to add the chopped onion. So we have to fry this onion until it becomes brown in color. Nice aroma. So in this onion, I added half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, red chili powder. It gives a nice color in this. Little bit more, and salt as per your taste. So I added everything, and it's time to add the potato, the boiled potatoes. So here I added the potatoes, and I have to mix the potatoes along with the masalas. So in this I am going to add the chopped green chilies and some fresh ginger. If you want to add the cashew nut, you can add cashew nut also. That is up to your choice. My potato masala is ready for masala dosa. So when it becomes cool down, I will start making the masala dosa. So it's time to prepare masala dosa. So for this, here I have the batter. I'm going to take this batter, dosa batter, and I'm going to put this one. You can prepare this dosa in the iron pan, guys, because this one gives a nice flavor. If you don't have this one, you can do it in the non-stick. So this one, it gives a nice taste in this dosa. So in this, I'm going to spread this red chutney. So this is how in the hotel they make. If you go to the Sharavana Bhavan or any South Indian hotel, they prepare like this. And in this I'm going to add these potato masala, and my masala dosa is ready. Can you see the color, guys, how it came? So here I'm making the masala dosa. So in this I'm going to apply this red chutney which we prepared for the masala dosa. So I'm going to spread this one like this. So I'm going to add more. So in this I'm going to add that potato masala. So I applied that potato masala, and my crispy dosa, masala dosa is ready to serve. And my masala dosa is ready with this chutney. So this is a quick video of how to make masala dosa at your home along with the chutney. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye. And I'm going to have this one. Can you see? Yummy.